2. So at this point we're now in the East Tower. They've done an actual huge facelift inside the actual resort itself. So if you've actually taken a look at one of our previous blog entries or vlog entries, you actually can see the difference in not only the color scheme but the lighting. It's actually a lot brighter, a lot more vibrant in terms of the actual decor that they have in here. So again, just coming through, we actually have our room at the very end of this hallway, so we're probably going to fast forward through a lot of this walk. So we are at the very end here, room number 4555. So as we come in, new bathroom, completely redone. Back behind there is the toilet. Won't go in there at this point. Back behind the door, stand-up shower. As we come into the main room, a little bit further in, walk-in closet. If I could find the light, that would be great. There we go. Coming back out, small coffee spot. Then into the room where we can go. King bed. Decent view at this point. I think my wife is probably hiding behind the curtain. She doesn't really want to be seen right now. But as we come back out, quick little update on the view of the room itself and how this looks. So yeah, we'll update you more as we end up seeing more from Atlantis.